Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to make playlist on YouTube. For this you have to follow the steps. Before this video, if you still don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. So let's get started. First you need to open your youtube.com, then log in to your profile here. Okay, wait for this. So okay, after that you need to tap on create here, tap on it and go to new playlist section. So you need to add your title here, my playlist. You can add what you wanna add here. So I'm gonna type this. Okay, sorry. Now you can add here your description and make your privacy in public. So then create. So now you need to go to content section. So you can see a new playlist here. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.